Hello, little friends. Today, we're going to color a beautiful tractor and learn some fun facts about this powerful machine. Are you ready? Let's go! What is a tractor and what does it do? A tractor is a very important farming machine that helps farmers prepare their land and harvest their crops. Because tractors have big, strong wheels, they can easily move over rough and muddy fields. Why are tractors so important? Farmers use tractors to plow the fields and prepare the soil for planting. They can carry heavy loads like wheat, vegetables, and other crops. Tractors also help with irrigation and even harvesting. Time to color. What color should our tractor be? Red like the strong, classic tractors. Green like modern farm tractors. Blue like the bright sky. You can choose any color you like and create your very own dream tractor. If you enjoyed this video, check out more fun and creative content on our Painting Stories channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video.